Want to know what's not crashing? Captain Haiti tokens. While other cryptos are diving faster than bad Wi-Fi in a coffee shop, Captain Haiti token is soaring to the moon. If you had purchased CAP tokens for 18s or 4 on July 15th, those tokens would be worth $57.97 USD today. That's 227% in 15 days. While Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin are going down, CAP is like up, up, up. Why CAP? 89% of Haitians are unbanked. We are a community taking down corruption in Haiti. Captain Haiti is a great edge against Haiti's 49% inflation. Are you gonna watch it fly or join the ride? Jump on the CAP rocket today. Visit capland.io.